printing my quadlock, adjusted quadlock base for one of the GPS units and some earlier attempts. Okay, so this is my solution for my mount. I don't want to use this, it's too big, it's too bulky, it stands up too proud. So I just need to replace this with a similar idea with the copyright, which is when I printed a base that the back plugged into. So what I've done is I've taken off, well, that goes there like that, right? So I've taken that off and I've printed a quad lock base that's got two holes in it that line up to those holes. And I've had to build it up a little bit just to make it flush so that the bolt will stick to the top. Didn't take too long to print this or modify it in 3D Studio, Maya. Didn't take too long to print this, and I think it's good enough. I'm going to give it a go. Pretty much just fits on there. The bolts go on, and it should just clip in. Let's see if that works. I'm pretty happy with that. It's got the spring washers to keep it in, and now it's just a case of clipping onto my bike. Perfect. Exactly what I was hoping for. Let me show you. So that's what it looks like underneath. Yeah, neat and tidy. So we are installing this on Daryl's bike, the other one, the A3501. I just want to show you what I've done. Is I have printed a quad lock, a bracket, and I have built a bracket, custom bracket at the bottom that clips into the base. It used to look like this at the bottom, and I've taken that off and I printed a bunch of these things with the screws at the top and then brackets underneath, and finally got it to fit. And so now, simple and easy, you can just literally just put it onto your quad lock mount and Bob's your auntie.
Yeah, I'm just trying to work out the right angle to put this thing onto. Okay.
Okay, is it vertical? Is it tight?
Yeah, it's tight enough.
All right.
I'm trying to pull this
so
out.
this, yeah, you want to get that out. So we found switched power, we think, on a Honda CB500X under the seat. So hopefully it's literally a case of those two wires are all we need to connect to. Okay, this is so much fun. Daryl, slightly to the left. There you are. It's slightly more to the anti-clockwise by like a degree or two. And let's just look at, so this is very cool. So there's the front, there's the back, and there's both. Jeez, it's high quality, hey?
Beautiful.
Have you got the foam thing to lock this down? Because it's jiggling around and annoying me.
It's happening, but I can't find it.
Alright, so hang on. Shh. What does this button do?
What does this button do?
Starting recording. Ah, that's behind us. Click it again. Doesn't show the front view, Daryl. Why doesn't it show the front view?
You stole the thing.
Because you can see in the front. Like you said.
But how do I see the front?
Okay, that's cool. So what does this do?
Look
That took a
up.
photo. Takes a photo. That's
Look
cool.
up.
And this one, okay, this is obviously take you to Android Auto, but you're not set up for Android Auto, so it's looking good. Okay, this is Daryl underachieving.
Foofing.
It's not that difficult, Daryl.
You shush.
Hey? Seriously now.
What do you mean it's not that difficult?
Well,
It's very difficult.
you make
You shush. You shut your mouth and you're talking to me. Love your work, see? Love your work.
So wait, I'm gonna the light of glory upon myself because I think we've done a very good job. I was the worker, you are the reassembler. So yeah, everything is neat and tidy. So we've got the camera at the back. We'll probably need to do something here to hold it down. It comes up, goes in, joins up with the power, switched power supply, which I've run underneath here, underneath there. Runs all the way in there. All comes together and tied up into a bundle of cables over there, which don't seem to catch anything when we are moving the handlebars. So, and then at the front, we have the front camera, which is very cool, very cute, right there. And also just checking that everything still works. Okay, power comes on. Okay, now you haven't connected your Android Auto yet, that's okay.
We'll do that.
So we'll do the buttons.
I need to put this all back
Okay,
in.
that works. Starting record, back home, and then doop, doop, doop. That works. Back to home. And let's get your Android Auto going, but once you've finished. Anyway, so Daryl is done. The Podofo A3501 is all installed. He's turned on the bike, and you turn on the bike and look. Done. Automatic. Just connects and gets on with it. So, let's look at the... I love this. I just love this. This is so cool. Okay. Let's go. Where are we going, mate? I don't know what's open. Just turn your bike off, and does it go away or does it come back straight away? Okay, well, let's see if it comes back. Okay. Let's go and see if we can find something to drink. You're very welcome. Make sure that you complete the review. It could mean anything. Yep. Festivities, long weekend on the beach, even on a very nippy day. For me, last year, wow, look at this. Horses on the beach. Horses on the beach. We live in paradise, eh? You can find out, I guess, when you get home. Here we go, they're open. You want to go there? Or do you want to... Oh look, it's quite bright as well, hey? It's much brighter than I would have expected. It reflects less than a phone.
Okay. Cool device, man.
So, well, tell me, do you think that Garmin's and TomToms and all of these other things actually have a future, or are they going to need to invest in their apps? I think their strength is going to be their apps, not their devices anymore.
I agree with you. I don't think that there's any value in the technology, the actual hardware.
Yeah.
And it's getting better and better, and it's so readily available.
Yeah.
I think anyone can get it. Definitely going to be apps, and the other thing is a multi-purpose device like we've just run now. I think that's going to prevail. So I don't think you're going to go out and buy a GPS. You're going to buy a device that does things. Just
Well,
like
that's
your phone.
So it's your phone, but this is not your phone.
Yeah,
It's for me. I like the fact that it's not my phone,
yeah.
because my phone is dangerous when I'm when I'm fiddling with it, and it's not the same.
functionality dot.
Yeah.
And the
Nelly is
front
pleased,
and-
is waiting for my coffee.
front and rear camera.
Oh, your camera.
Yeah, that's really cool.
I want to see what it looks like. Can I jump on your bike?
Sorry?
Can I jump on your bike for 5 minutes and when we go back, and just see what it looks like?
Yeah.
Cool. Then I'll video a bit of this as well. Nice. Alrighty. This is going to be interesting. Yeah.
Yes. Let's give this little system a go.
Okay, well, we are in super bright. I can see what you mean. It's like 1 degree off, eh? Just, I'll let you try and sort that out. Installation problem, not the device's problem. Something which you also can do if you're finding it too bright is you can dip it down a bit. You better stand close to me so my Android Auto works. I don't need Android Auto. What I need to see the rear view mirror. That's what I'm after. Quite cutesy. Yeah, I know it's the anti-vibration. You don't need it, but it does make it quite wobbly under touch, so you may want to take it off. You ready to go? Jeez, it's loud. I like it. You take your time. I will try and hear myself. So I'm fiddling with your mirrors. You're going to have to fix them when you get back on the bike. Okay, let's see what you look like. Aww. That's cool. I dig it. Yeah, you are getting quite a lot of sun, so I would consider tilting it backwards towards you. It looks weird, eh? To see it behind you. I like it. I'm really impressed with the quality of the video. I'd be very keen to see what it looks like as a recording, because you can set it for high def 1080p for both. Yeah, so that is a really high quality video. So I'm dying to see the frame rate. So if you can send me an untrimmed version of it, I'd be keen to see what it looks like, front and back. Yeah, sure can. There we go. Let me go into neutral. You're struggling to find neutral. Cool. You had it. Somehow.
If you don't pay attention for a second, it's going to
Bite you, yeah. Have fun. Oh yes, I'd already forgotten. That's funny. Hilarious. Thank you, sir.
Thanks for the gift. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. And yeah, send me your footage.
Yeah, we'll do. Just going to put my earplugs in.
Okay, I'm going to head back, okay?
Yeah, see you later.
Alrighty. Cheers. You too. Bye-bye.